Hi everybody, welcome to today's video where we are going to be learning about surds. So first, what is a surd? A surd is a number that is square rooted to give an irrational number. An irrational number is a number that's not a whole number. So for example, root 20 is a surd because it's equal to 4.47213595, etc. However, root 25 is not a surd because it's equal to a whole number. If you square root 25, you get 5. So that means root 25 is not a surd. But root 20 is a surd because when you square root 20, you don't get a whole number. Example 1. Simplify root 20. You can simplify surds, and this means making them into a simpler form. It's similar to simplifying fractions. So to simplify surds, first you have to list out square numbers. Remember, square numbers are the same thing as saying 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, etc. So if we do these sums, we get 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It's really important to remember these numbers because this is the square number sequence. Even if you don't remember it, you can still work it out, but it's good to have it in memory. You have to find the biggest square factor of 20. In other words, which of these square numbers goes into 20 and is the biggest one that goes into 20. So 9 and 16, they don't go into 20, and 25 is too big. However, 4 goes into 20, 4 times 5. Because we know 4 times 5 is equal to 20, we can do root 4 times root 5. Root 4 is the same thing as saying 2 because it's a square number, so therefore root 20 is equal to 2 root 5. Try this one. Simplify root 24. So again, we need to list the square numbers, and this time we can see the biggest square factor of 24 is also 4, and we know that 4 times 6 is equal to 24, so we can say root 4 times root 6 is equal to root 24. Root 4 is the same thing as saying 2, so we can simplify that to 2 root 6, which is equal to root 24. Example 3. Simplify root 27. So if we list out our square numbers again, we can find the biggest square factor of 27 is 9. And we know that 9 times 3 is 27, so root 9 times root 3 is root 27. And we can simplify root 9 to 3, so we get the answer of 3 root 3. Simplifying surds is not as hard as it looks. Try this one. It's a bit of a bigger number. Simplify root 98. Pause the video here and give it a go. So if we list out the square numbers, this time we'll have to list a few more. We can see that some of these are square factors of 98. However, the biggest one is 49, because root 49 times root 2 is equal to root 98. Root 49 can be simplified to what? 7. So therefore, root 98 is the same thing as saying 7 root 2. Pause the video here and try out these questions. There's also a challenge if you feel like giving it a go. Here are the answers so you can mark your work. Let me know how you did in the comment section below. Here are a bunch more questions for you to try. They get harder as you go on, and give them a go, and the answers will be in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a lot. Make sure you share it with your friends, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!